John Richard Lobo, Udayu Observer kai All India Congress Committee, Olawan Haribhoi District Naga Bantaban Perkhat Kumno ban Penklanya ka party, but Kamtam ban yo jied no ya unong yalam bat mai ka Ribhoi District kaba menta ka don tang ad hoc president ka jingtmu jong ka AICC ban pha daki observer ban yu kjat manlaki district kalong ba ka seng congress lengba ka sanggatan Srijan Abhiyan kabalabu thong ban Penklan bat pat pentmai ya ki buit trekam dadu tenrai ban jied ru ya ki nong yalam bat mai Hamanla ki district jong ka jilla Meghalaya khanang ban tib ki jing e jong ki pajba.
As observer for the selection of DCC president of Ribhoi district in Meghalaya. This is the part of the Abhiyan, which is called Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, promoted by the AICC New Delhi. Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan is the derivative or is the fallout from the All India Congress Committee, a nationwide organization transformation campaign, which was a part of the national campaign which our leader Mr. Rahul Gandhi undertook, starting his Abhiyan right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, the Padayatra which he did. And then later he did the another Abhiyan from Bihar to New Delhi. The objective of this entire Abhiyan is to strengthen the DCC now. As on now, the various activities are the promotional thinking which our Congress had. But at the grassroots level, for implementation, there were a lot of problems. Understanding all these issues, All India Congress Committee thought of revamping the districts and to activize the districts and to see that all the programs are properly implemented at district level. The Sangathan has to be done at the district level. As a part of that, this is the first step to identify the right candidates for the district presidency. And then which will go down to the level of revamping the district committees, and then at the block level, and then at the ward level, at the functionary level also. We observers have the responsibility of looking into the implementation of the aspiration of the AICC. Without any malice or any prejudice, we will take the opinion of the people, we will interact with the leaders, collect their opinions, and then in the presence of the AICC observers also, we will finally prepare the final report to the AICC. The AICC would like to make DCC more functional, effective, because Congress always stood for the democratic values, to strengthen the democracy. The people aspirations have to be implemented, put into action, and always Congress stood for the welfare of the entire people of the country, including the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, and all the vulnerable sections, the support. It is the inclusive development which Congress always thinks of. It is the welfare of each and every person which Congress always keeps in mind. It's the Congress which would like to build the nation in this direction. And as a part of that, effective leadership is required at the district level and down to the final grama level, the panchayat level, at the local body level. And this is the reason the entire organizational restructuring is being planned by the Congress. In Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which our national beloved leader Rahul Gandhi undertook, and also the Padayatra which he undertook right from Kanyakumari to Srinagar, Kashmir. It was a part of it to make the people sensitive about their rights, liberties, and also to understand the needs of the people. I appeal to all the workers as well as Congress people to support this abhiyan of the AICC. It is not that a single AICC observer or the PCC observers can do this job. Unless there is a support from the field and local level, nothing will be possible from us. I appeal to all Congress people, persons to support this abhiyan, and not only support this abhiyan, subsequently, whoever has been selected and finally appointed as president and office bearers by the AICC to give the complete support to them and fulfill the policies and aspirations of the AICC. I would like to be here from today till 24th. Continuously, we will be traveling, visiting various blocks, holding meetings there, interacting with the leaders, and also we will have one-to-one discussion with the people and the party workers to understand their mindset, to understand their feelings about the leadership, and finally also to have one-to-one interaction with the aspirants. Today, we will collect the applications. Subsequently also, if anybody fails to give their applications today, we will collect the applications later also, but before our departure, and we will understand the support or their ideology about the Congress party and the competence that they have to implement the policies and the programs of our party. To all the workers to give support to this abhiyan. Thank you.